Second quarter na po, mag-uumpisa na. Dito sa ating bakbakan on PBA Sabado. Chris Chu is in there with Cruz, Ponferrada, Quinyahan, and Jeff Chan. Kabilang panig naman, Marvin Cruz, Sangalang, Pingris, James Yap, and itong si Melton. Outside shot from Jericho, that's wide left. The rebound taken by Justin Melton. He'll push it up. Ito yung bakbakan sa poste, Pingris, Ponferrada.
Oh, hindi magbaback down dyan si Ponferrada.
Royal Rumble yung nangyayari doon. Here's James Yap hanging in the air. Off the glass, in and out.
0 out of 2 so far from the field. And on the other side, almost a fast break situation. Yes, completed. Goal interference will be called against Star Hot Shots. So the problem both ways. Inability of Star Hot Shots to make a basket. And on the other side, not quick enough to defend the transition.
Kailangan makabawi. Here they go, James Yap. Naantay si Mark Cruz makaikot. They go to the post, Sangalang. Mark Cruz, a three, top of the key. Sadong malakas at sa rebound, Chris Chu all by his lonesome. Kinyahan the fake. Jeff Chan. Oh, off the glass naman. Tatlong trap na para kay Jeff Chan. That was brought to us by Oppo F1 selfie expert.
It was a challenge shot. In fact, from our angle, parang nabitawan pa ni Jeff Chan yun. Pero 3 out of 3 so far for the sniper.
9 points na para sa kanya. Ang lamang na kanyang koponan, 7. Inside pass, Sangalang. Good feed from Mark Pingris. Ang ganda naman nun.
Oh, finally, a high percentage shot. They've been trying to get that ball to Mark Pingris and see what happens on the weak side. A good cut by Ian Sangalang for an easy 2 points.
Ian Sangalang, a third-year man. Pero parang second year pa lang niya dahil yung middle year, inaubos.
Oh, he was
Unang
so,
laro pa lang, na-injured na.
yun na nga eh. He was so successful in his rookie season. Pero tama, na-slow down siya. As we take a look at this. Nice off-the-ball, weak side action there. Sangalang, a recipient of a timely assist pass.
5 hinahabol ng hot shots. They go to the post. Double comes quickly. Down to 4 to shoot. What's Melton gonna do? Bouncing it over to Cruz. Fading away. Short yan. Bakbakan sa rebound. Muntik na sumut. Here they go. Volleyball ang laro. At nakuha na finally ni Ponferrada.
Oh, that's a problem because there's one guy leaking out, and that is Jericho Cruz. So when things were happening, Star Hot Shots were just looking at the ball, not realizing that there's already one man who leaked out.
Hindi, si Jericho Cruz naman, kumpiyansa niya na makakuha ng big boys na yung rebound na yun.
Actually, ito lang si Coach Yeng Giao ang allowed na may magli-leak out eh. Usually, 5 men rebounding ang requirement mo when they're playing defense.
Pingris throws it away.
Oh, you've got to give credit also in the last 2 possessions. Good defensive stop by Rainer Shine. They're doubling Mark Pingris. So instead of Mark being an attacker scorer, he becomes a passer. On the second time that he did that, turnover ang nangyari ron. A lot of turnovers for Star already. They're 7 in the first 2 quarters.
Chris Chu using the screen all the way to the hoop. Mintis ang layup. Siniswerte pang Star Hot Shot dahil yung mga ganyan, nakadalawa 3 minutes na itong Rainer Shine.
Wide open eh. Napakadaling tira.
Sangalang. Too strong on that hook shot. And just one and done. They can't get offensive rebounds. They find Jeff Chan. That fly once again. That's off. Finally misses. But Kinyan is there. Parang using.
Oh, sometimes you just don't give up. Even if Jeff Chan takes that shot, if you're defending, you always assume that it's a miss. E tinignan lang, nakakuha ng rebound itong si Kanyahan for a putback.
Eventually, the good things will happen. Okay? As long as the energy is there, good things will happen. All right? Okay. Control your hands off to James. Okay? Same thing. Kamali lang si Blake kanyan. It's okay. Okay lang. Back. Okay? Back. Okay? Wait for him. Jeff lang yan. Kaya. Poste, ha? Okay?
Mag-interview na lang tayo.
No. From there, from that pass, yeah, you want to do that. Okay? You can do that. But remember, just in case he goes, Justin, fill into the right, huh? Because they're coming this way from you. Okay. 2 things. Transition point, offensive rebounds. Okay, we got to, energy's there.
It's a 9-2 start to the second quarter para sa Rain or Shine. They've erected a 9-point lead against the Star Hotshots. So very intense ang last huddle ng Star Hotshots, and Coach Jason reminding his guys to get back on transition.
Well, two things that he was really wary of. One, you're correct, transition defense. Every time they miss a basket, expect Rainer to shine to run. And once again, leak out Jericho Cruz. Not enough men for the white shirts to defend their goal, and not quick enough to defend Jericho.
Si Mark Cruz, helpless na lang sa play na yon. Had to put his hands up, but there was slight contact. It was called by the referee. That's a cool play brought to us by Hitachi. 3 world-class innovations, 1 name in air conditioning.
Oh,
Hitachi.
Jericho did not even start in this ball game, but he's got so many points already. A total of 10 points. Now, you take a look at the numbers, especially bench scoring. 19 points already for Rainer Shine and only 2 for Star Hotshots.
And already a 12-point lead. Punta muna tayo kay Riza Diaz.
More to that, Coach Jason Webb's recent huddle. Ang sabi din niya, we have to get our shots selection better. Otherwise, we are not in position to get the offensive rebound. He appreciates the energy, and he told his players just to keep it up because eventually good things will happen. Sorry.
Thanks a lot, Riza. Well, Mark Cruz, that's the way to come back with a 3-pointer. Katapos naman na nag-surrender ka ng 3 points. Pinawi naman agad ni Mark Cruz, but they're still trailing by 9. Jericho Cruz been kissed from 3-point range. Mark Cruz, some ball handling, pinakita. Almost lost it thereafter, pero ito na. Aatake, hook shot from Sangalang, and no one underneath again to try to get an offensive rebound.
Just one basket every time PO to Ian Sangalang. It's not sure 2 points for them.
Kinyahan, 14-footer, rolls out. Ponferrada standing up. Flat-footed rebound ang nagawa ni Joel doon.
That's actually part of the 2 reminders that Coach Jason Webb told his players during the lull. One is sprint back on defense, and the other one is limit Rainer Shine to 1 shot. Grab every 50-50 balls, or the defensive rebound. That was not evident in that play.
Well, Jeff Chan has contributed. 3 3-pointer na kanyang naipasok, kuya naman. Pinalitan na muna ni Coach Yang Yao. Pinasok ang rookie na si Yosan Nimes. And look, si Ponferrada mukhang natuhod sa may hita. Labas muna siya. And Almazan is finally back.
They call it Charlie Horse.
Charlie Hurst. Si Almazan, maganda rin na yata yan. And Raymond Almazan, ready to rock and roll.
Oh, yes.
Here's Bulls. Out to the little man, can't hit 2 3-pointers in a row. And a rebound by Josan Nimes.
It's actually a good point of attack for start, because pick and roll defense of Rainer Shine is a switch, and that will leave Denzel open for the post-up play.
Almazan shovels it over to Kinyahan. That's a miss. And the littlest guy on the court skies for the rebound, Melton. So might step, may foul na tinawag. Sinalubong pa ni Kinyahan si Melton, panigurado.
Wala naman, parang dumikit lang.
19 seconds to shoot para sa Star Hotshots. Gabe Norwood is in the game.
For the first time? Oh, it's just amazing the kind of bench depth that Coach Yang Yao has. He has the luxury of sitting down his import for extended minutes.
That's right.
And still play good basketball.
Tama yun, grabe na rin itong Rainers, and always in the thick of things, always a contender. Sinubukan na idakdak ni Denzel Bolt, wanted to jam it in the face ni Raymond Almazan, unsuccessful, but he'll get 2 from the line.
Medyo naramdaman ng pagkanipis itong si Raymond Almazan. Tried to play defense against Denzel. It was tough enough to really challenge that, pero masyadong malakas itong si Denzel in that play.
Makibalita na naman tayo kay Riza.
Kita naman daw ng first game ni Denzel Bowles na wala pa to sa kondisyon. In fact, yung matagal niyang pagkaka-layoff sa basketball, about 2 months yung huli niyang competitive basketball, talagang ito yung nagiging epekto. Ang pakiusap lang sa kanya ng coaching staff, hindi niya makukuha yung kondisyon na yun kung hindi siya mag-extra work. So kailangan gawin daw niya yun. Everyone's being patient around him, pero kailangan syempre magpakita rin siya ng effort. Siya naman.
Siyempre, di ba? Kailangan yun. Siyempre, especially in a conference like this where you rely so much on your 6'9" import. And Denzel Bowles, he knows the drill. He's done it before. He's led him to a championship.
And he's got to put in a lot of effort, especially outside the basketball court. He just cannot come in and play and expect that it's going to be easy basketball for him. 20 points, 15 rebounds, good numbers for ordinary imports, but not for Denzel, who averaged 26.3 on a 49% clip. In the last game, it was only 6 out of 17 for 35. Malaking bagay.
That's right. 1 out of 2 from the line for Gabe Norwood. Ano? Bagong balik lang yan eh. He was in the United States to watch his baby brother, his younger brother, in the Super Bowl. Diba? Yung
Wow.
kanyang younger brother, si Jordan Norwood, who did win with the Denver Broncos. So, meron na tayong kababayan na may Super Bowl ring.
Ba, grabe
Diba?
ah.
Ito natin yung mga pinopost ni Gabe Norwood, ng mga photos. He was there at the stadium rooting on the Denver Broncos. As James Yap is now at the line, siya naman titira ng dalawa. Flips the first one in. Big game, James. Ano mo, ilang beses na. Marami nagsasabi. May mga balita na of his demise. Ha?
Hindi pa.
Dito sa PBA, ha? Eh, biglang hititira ng 3-3 in the last minute para makahabol ang star. Ganun na mga ginagawa ni James Yap. So, kina-quiet niya yung mga critics na yon. Eh. But I think now this is a new conference and they need a lot from him.
Well, with James Yap, you don't talk about accuracy too much. It's really, when the game is on the line, he will make a basket for you.
Kung magparamdam na sa inyong PBA Idols, you shout. Put pa lang sa Sport 5 PH. Look for the Shout tab or column. Vote for your favorite coaches, players, and teams. Libre ito with no registration necessary. So far, sa shout count natin, Bowles at Chisholm, pinakamaraming yes. Chisholm missing inside. Bakbakan sa rebound. Bowles bangs into Chisholm. That's going to be a foul on Denzel.
Just the first personal foul against Denzel and the fourth team foul for Star. Hot shots. Very nice block shot there. Well timed by Denzel. He had 3 blocks. Their game against the Bulls, and is really part of his defensive arsenal.
Problema, hindi nila na-secure yung
Yun na
possession.
nga, oo.
Rainer Shine comes back and then foul naman ang kanyang nagawa pagkatapos nun. So, yung sinasabi mga 50-50 balls, Rainer Shine has been getting them.
Now the
Josh Animes on the move gets the foul.
nice PBA body. This guy, when I was watching him in the NCAA playing for Mapua, I told myself, this guy can put the ball down, very good handles, has a decent shot from the perimeter. He's really gonna play so well as soon as he decides to go to the pro ranks.
Gabe Norwood brings it to the post. Ayun, binalik sa kanya. Jumper from 18. That's short. And here's Baroka. Trailing by 7 ang Star Hot Shots. Slow down ang ating action here in quarter 2. Ball was tipped away. Denzel keeps it alive. Gets it back. Atake. Iniwan para kay James. Up fake. Side step. Nakakuha ni Baroka. Second to shoot. What's he gonna do? Mintis ang kanyang tira. And Almazan clears it. Parang in disarray ang opensa, partner.
There's no direction. They're not having a very fluid offensive execution. Buti na lang para rito sa Star. Pangalawang mintis na sa 3 nitong si Chisholm. At airball pa yung huling tinira niya.
Tapos may duty foul naman na ginawa to si Gabe Norwood. Dala atake na sana ang white shirts. Now they have a chance to get back on defense and set it. Another substitution. Revis ang pinasok muli. Mark Pingris will sit. Pingris having a conversation with Coach Yeng Giao as he passed the Rainer Shine bench. Aswell si Pingris, si Coach Yeng de.
Hindi. May ano yan, may konting bulong yun.
One-hander, PJ Simon. They still can't get it to fall.
Just one shot. So no second chance opportunities for Rainer Shine. Just a tremendous job on the defensive rebounding end for Rainer Shine.
The kick out to Gabe Norwood. Nagmintis. Ito rebound. Napulot ni PJ Simon. Inantay ang kanyang mga kakampi. Set muna ng opensa. Rivas. Di makatira. Bounce kay Denzel. Ayun!
Now on the weak side, that is where they're generating so much points. Weak side cutting that time around. Denzel Bowles given by Rafi Rivas.
Traveling ang tinawag kontra kay Gabe Norwood. It would have been a turnover anyway dahil sa kanyang pagpasa. Tumama sa paa nitong si Wayne Chisholm and bounced out.
But I go back to this particular play. More than a good read on the part of Denzel Bowles on offense, it is really a defensive mistake by Rainer Shine, because if Rafi Rivas is trying to back his man down, you don't need any help because his man can stay with him.
That's right. Mintis ang outside jumper ni Denzel Bowles. So ito naman ang Rainer Shine, maintaining yung kanilang kalamangan dito sa second quarter. Nimes doing lots of the ball handling. Nakita sa kanto si Gabe Norwood. Jerick Teng, that's a three. Here's PJ Simon. Nandiyan ang depensa sa transition ng Rainer Shine. Nakaset
Mabilis
agad
No easy baskets for Rainer, for
Ayun,
Star Hot
yun ang
shots.
easy basket finally.
yun.
Oo.
Kaya tumigil ako eh.
Oo. Well, nagkataon kasi bitin yung tira ni Baroka right
Oo.
into the hands of Denzel Bowles.
Bumagsak eh.
At double digits na ito si D. Bowles. Almazan makes his move. Mintis ang layup. I thought he was gonna dunk it.
Don't worry about getting your shots. You will get your shots. They will collapse. He will find you. Just get it to him.
Pinabamot ka, di ba? They're gonna switch this. Okay?
Maglaro, matuto at manalo sa Moneyball Dribble of the People. Dahil 3,000 ang mapapanalunan ng ating Moneyball Best Player. Kaya dribblers makipindot na tuwing halftime. At maya-maya, magka-halftime na. Because we only have 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining in the first half. As the Rainer Shine Lafto Painters maintain their lead over Star 37-34. Charlie Cuna with Coach Ryan Royal. And Almazan nasa linya para sa dalawang free throws. Ito si Raymond Almazan kasabay ni ano yan eh. Ni Ian Sanggalang yun. Diba? Sila yung mga napili, mga big boys yun eh.
Sa letran, itong si Raymond Almazan. Pero makikita mo, naninibago pa itong si Raymond. Alam mo, if you're coming off an injury, it's really very hard to get back into basketball shape. Ika nga. You can go to the treadmill, go to the gym, pero yung basketball timing, ang hirap kunin yon. Makukuha mo lang yon sa minutong ibibigay sa'yo.
Well, he got the basket there from the free throw line. 4-point lead para sa kanyang koponan. Balik kay Denzel Bowles. Itong Star Hot Shots. He'll turn. Short hook is in and out. Rafi Rivas fighting for the rebound. Ang veterano. You know, and that's the thing. He's their team captain, Rafi Rivas. And he is really leading by example. Di ba? Hindi ba kailangan magsigawan o di ba, to direct them what to do, but he's showing them how to fight for that letter.
Well, for one, he is very credible because he has won a lot of championships, not only for Star but also with other teams. And he's not is not the type of a player who will demand that ball.
Oh, power move mula kay Denzel Bowles. Ayun na nga sinasabi natin, following the lead of Rafi Rivas, offensive rebound, Bowles put back and then the basket.
Sometimes it's really the inspiration brought about by your teammates that will give you opportunities for a heads-up play like this. Denzel Bowles not giving up. He heard the whistle. He went strong for his basket. 12 points already for D. Bowles.
He can't knock down the free throw. And isa sa mga aspeto ng kanyang laro, na nagsasuffer in his past couple of stints dito sa PBA. We do remember, he won them a championship from the line.
Oh, yes.
Imagine when at least he forced overtime from the line,
Oh.
di ba? Yung dalawang free throw, naiyak pa nga siya na shoot ngayon.
I vividly remember that game. It was against Talk and Text. Sakit yun.
So Denzel Bowles makes the move. Kinaliwa, pasok!
Oh, he likes that matchup against Raymond Almazan. A total of 15 points already for D. Bowles.
Still trailing by 2, however. Offensive foul ang tinawag kontra sa Rain or Shine. Almazan, di makapaniwala, ngunit pangatlong personal na yan. He's still arguing his case. Tawarning pa. And you know, you see that fellow behind Yeng Giao sitting on the bench, Paul Lee, naka-civilian. Dahil injured pa rin, and as Riza reported earlier, his knee's all right, but he needs to get back into shape.
Oh, medyo tatabayan si Paul Lee kung wala masyadong activity.
Nag-derail, no? Kasi
Oo,
bumalik
eh.
siya, tapos
Napaaga siguro.
here's Bowles. He'll go baseline. Traveling naman ang tinawag kontra kay Bowles, and they've been pretty consistent with that kind of call since the latter part of the Philippine Cup.
Oh, you just can't lift your pivot foot because the kind of calls that the referees are calling really favor the offensive player. Konting hawak lang, tatawagan ng foul. So hindi ka nang pwede magkaroon pa ng advantage na magbabago yung pivot foot mo.
Nimes napunta kay Teng. Nakita mas maliit ang kalaban. Umatake.
Tapang nito ni Jeric Teng. Nakita niya, mas malaki siya dito kay Mark Baroka. Hindi ininda yung depensa ni Mark.
Baroka lofted momentarily. Behind the back. Drive sa loob. One-hander. Pasok! Bumawi agad.
Kinantihan agad eh. Parang na-insulto si Mark Baroka ron eh.
Chisholm.
2 puntos pa lang pala ni Mark yun.
Wayne Chisholm ngayon. Diretso. Kinaliwa naman din. 4 points pa lamang para kay Wayne Chisholm. Timeout is called by Mark Baroka. 30-second timeout ito.
And in the previous conference also in this kind of a format with Wayne Chisholm playing for them. Finals din sila against Talk and Text.
7 games yun. Overtime pa sa dulo.
Oo.
PJ Simmons. A great result coming out of that timeout. Pero may oras pa. Makahirit itong Rain or Shine. Jeric Teng. Naagawan pa ni Baroka. What can he do with 2 seconds to go? That's a foul on the way to the hoop. Raymond Almazan, hinabol ba si Mark Baroka? And that could be his fourth. Tama ba?
Yes, but no easy shots. You still have to appreciate the effort of Raymond Almazan because Mark Baroka, after he stole that ball from Jeric Teng, is actually 3 steps ahead. But look at the effort
Oh, look
of
at the big
Raymond
man run,
Almazan.
oh.
Wow, those are giant steps, and he was able to foil that shot. Even if it's a free throw situation, you just have to applaud the efforts like that from your players.
That's right. Although that was his fourth personal. Nawarningan si Coach Yeng Giao dahil sa resentment to a call. So baka makatabla pa itong Star bago matapos ang ating first half.
Oh, very good fight back for them. Because a few minutes ago, also in their second quarter, they were down by as big as 12 points, 36-24. And finally, for Coach Jason Webb, he has found the right people who can generate 2 things, points and also defensive stops. And now, they can actually tie this ball game, as what you've mentioned,
And
based on
this
this
is the man.
second free throw.
This is the man who's leading the way. Bigla. 3 points pa nga lang yan. Pero kailan dumating yan? Dito sa dulo. Ng second quarter. Tabla na nga po tayo. 44-44. Tira natin kung makashoot pa si Nimes. Humirit pa. Pero front rim lang ang tinamaan. So suddenly, great fight back, as you said, Coach Ryan, by the Star Hotshots. Down by 12 earlier. Able to tie it up bago natapos ang ating first half. 44 all ang ating score.